Kunta International Noida has designed and manufactured the enclosure for podium. This podium enclosure has provision for mounting a 20-inch display, an iPad or a control panel, keyboard. There is an area for mounting amplifier and other electronic hardware, and also it has provision for mounting a laptop on the side. Laptop can be just kept on the side. Then it has an area for putting the company's logo or any other display in the front. In fact, there is a P-label acrylic sheet which has been put in the front with the help of 4 studs. So the company's logo can be very easily put here in this area. Then it has fans which are mounted inside, and there are air vents which have been provided at the bottom for the air suction on both sides of the enclosure. Now I'll show you the opening of the enclosure area. There is a lock on the side. You can just easily open the lock. You can open the lock and pull there is a slider, you can pull the cover. Now this cover can be used for keeping papers or other presentation materials, and you see these are the ribs which have been specially provided on this cover so that the papers or other books etc. which are used by the presenter will not slide down, and these ribs will also be used for pulling the cover out. Then there is a switch here for this switch will be used for adjusting the angle of the display. Now you can see when you press the switch up, the display angle can be adjusted, and if you press the switch down, the display angle can be adjusted downwards. Then there is a slider which covers the opening meant for putting a tablet. Now tablet or a control panel can be put here. The tablet can be used as a control panel, and this window just covers it when not in use. And there is a cutout here which you see. This cutout is meant for mounting the mic. Then there is a front panel. Now this front panel can be perforated, and various openings can be made in this front panel for mounting various controls etc. There is a slider in the front, lockable, which is meant for keeping the keyboard. The keyboard can be kept here, and it can be locked when the podium is not in use. Then there is an enclosure, there is an area in which various other IT and other electronic hardware can be kept, can be mounted. There is a cover which is lockable, and in this area you can mount the amplifiers, you can mount computer, router and various other hardware. There is a PDP power distribution panel kept at the bottom for providing power to various devices which the user would like to mount inside. Then I'll put the cover for this area back into the podium just to show how easy it is, and then we'll close the very simple, easy, nice, and then we'll turn the podium to show you. There is a drawer provided, and in this drawer you can keep your laptop. The presenter can keep his laptop or any other material which you would like to keep while presentation. So then this podium has 4 wheels, the lockable wheels, which make it very convenient for easy movement of the podium on the dais. So, and then let's turn it around to have a view of how the podium looks from the front. Now, what we have done, we have actually provided these transparent sheets. These transparent sheets are actually fixed with the help of 4 screws to the front area, and the company can put logo or other presentation materials in these transparent sheets, and that makes the whole thing very attractive, very nice. Thank you.